Hi friends, in this particular video we will discuss the concept of sealed deposits as mentioned in the Yajnavalkya Smriti. Now let's see what he has spoken about sealed deposits first, and then we'll have a discussion on it. A person could keep an article in a particular vessel as a deposit without informing the person in whose vessel it is kept as regards the nature and quantity of that article is called sealed deposit. It has to be returned as is what is basis. Before demanding the said deposit, it is destroyed by king, divine incitement, or due to theft. In such case, the person with whom the deposit was kept is not liable for the repayment. But when demand is made and deposit is not returned, and subsequently it is destroyed by king or in any other manner, in such circumstances, the person with whom the deposit was kept has to pay a penalty equal to the valuation of deposit. So now what does they say? Number one, a person could keep a sealed deposit. While keeping that, he need not inform the person as regards the nature and the quantity of what he has kept in that particular vessel. The person with whom the deposit is there, he has to return that particular deposit on as is what is basis. Now the next thing which has been mentioned, that destroyed by king, divine, don't you feel this is something existence of a force majeure clause as mentioned by Yajnavalkya Smriti? It's nothing but something which is beyond the control of the person with whom the deposit is being kept. And probably somewhere this is nothing but the existence of a concept of force majeure. At the same time, Yajnavalkya also says that if a demand is made, it is not returned, and there is a destruction, then the person with whom that deposit was kept is liable for damages. So friends, from this we can gauge that in those days probably people must be keeping some of their articles, maybe gold jewelries or maybe any other aspect, including even valuable seeds of agriculture. We don't know. There are a lot of things which would have been kept with somebody, and that is why this concept of sealed deposits is being discussed by Yajnavalkya in his Smriti. As on today, we also have deposits. Probably we keep it in the bank. So bank locker is nothing but same. And even in bank, if you see the terms and conditions, probably you will find some similarities between the concept discussed by Yajnavalkya and the present terms and conditions of the bank lockers. So friends, in our next video, we will discuss the concept of witness as said by Yajnavalkya. Thank you.